What if everything you know about throwing a punch is wrong? That burning in your shoulder, the weak impact, losing your balance. That's not a lack of strength, it's a broken blueprint. In the next few minutes, I'll show you the single physical truth that separates a weak slap from a powerful strike. And it has nothing to do with your arms. Stay until the end, and I'll give you a simple drill that will change how you move forever. Most men punch with their arm. Real punches come from the ground. Look closely at fighters' real ones, not show-offs. Before the fist moves, something else happens first. The feet are planted, the weight shifts, the hips turn, the shoulder follows. The fist is the last thing to arrive. Most men reverse this order. They start with the fist and hope power appears. It doesn't. That's why punches look fast but feel weak. That's why balance disappears. That's why after a few minutes, breathing is heavy and form collapses. Power isn't aggression. Power is structure. Anime actually shows this perfectly. The strongest characters don't swing wildly. They're calm, still, grounded. When they strike, the entire body moves as one unit. That's not style. That's physics. Here's the mistake most men make. They stand too narrow, too stiff, and too high on their toes. From that position, power has nowhere to come from. A punch needs a base. No base, no force. Fix this first. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Slight bend in the knees. Weight balance, not leaning forward, not sitting back. Now, don't punch yet. Shift your weight slowly from your back foot to your front foot. Feel the ground push back. Now turn the hips slightly. Let the shoulder follow. Only then does the fist move. Perfect impact, full punch. First do this slowly. Be perfect first, then build speed. Speed without structure is just noise. Do this drill every day for 5 minutes. No mirror, no rush, just balance, weight shift, and control. You'll notice something interesting. Your punches start feeling heavier. You don't lose balance. You don't get tired as fast. And you stop looking frantic. That's the difference. Most men try to look dangerous. Fighters focus on being stable. Quiet men who are controlled don't need to prove anything. Their movements already tell the truth. This is why real fighters don't look aggressive. They look calm. And that calm is what makes people hesitate. Fix the basics. Build the base. Power comes after. Subscribe to the Quiet Alpha.